Come on, Titan. Go. Ooh. Come on. What is happening? So I think I found the reason why the alarm is going off. There's water like coming out of those windows. Jesus Christ. Move to Texas, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Oh my God. Look at that. So, about 20 minutes ago, the fire alarm went off. And I'm staying here with this one. And it is currently like 15 degrees outside. And yeah, so the fire alarm went off and I was like, I'm not leaving. But I think I found why. I took him out and water is just like spewing from this apartment above and this dental place. Like, it's a mess. And like, this is the street, this is South Congress. So when y'all come visit, like, this is the main drag. This is nuts, y'all. That's downtown right there. Global warming. Thanks, Obama. Doesn't exist. Fake news. So on further inspection, it looks like a water pipe burst outside of the building. I'm gonna take the dog back up and try to go across the street to the gas station and get some more food or something, because my car is blocked in. Everything is closed. I've lived in Indiana 20 years of my life, and I've never experienced anything like this. Like, this is nuts. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. So, also, this happened. That's a full-on Tesla. Broke the gate, slid back. Guess where my car is? Fun. So I just walked out of the gas station, which is right here. And I guess, oh girl, you're trying it. I guess it's like the only place open in like 20 miles. Everything's closed. Walmart's closed, HEB's closed. So this is nuts. But you know, I got the claws. I got some mac and cheese and chili that has 32 grams of fat in it. But we're gonna have to suck it up because Jesus, this is nuts. It's fine, it's water, not fire. I know I'm gonna get red to fill for taking the elevator when the fire alarms are going off. I don't think I've worn so many clothes in my entire life as I did today. Chex Mix, more Chex Mix, some mac and cheese, some chili, and some chocolate. I had gone to the gas station last night and they said that they were like pretty much out of everything. So I got some more stuff, more essential stuff then. So I think I'm gonna make myself a drink and enjoy this heat for a little bit. I got off the phone with my roommate and I'm gonna fill up his tub with some water. I've also been boiling water like periodically. So yeah, this is nuts. So the alarms just went off. I'm about to turn this water off just in case. And I filled up a bunch of other containers and pots with water over here so that if the water gets shut off or I lose heat, I can like still like make some sort of food. And by food, I mean like protein shake. Thank God I have protein. And then I can use the toilet. This is crazy. I wasn't expecting to make a video about this. I actually have another video queued up, and I've just, like I said before, I've just kind of been in a lull from posting because of everything else going on in the world and needing to focus on myself. But yeah, I'm grateful that I still have some power and have heat and have running water at the current time. But yeah, this is crazy. I hope everyone is staying safe right now, and if you enjoyed this, I would appreciate the like. I would appreciate a comment since I'm not doing anything else right now, but stuck in this house. We thought quarantine was bad, but this is like, ooh. At least in quarantine we had heat and water. Anyway, I hope everyone is staying safe, and we'll get through this. Please remember to be safe, wear a mask, and always remember there is nothing to prove, only something to share. Wow, first video of 2021. Way to start it off. I'll catch you guys in the next one.